Hello everybody. Hello my beautiful people. Thanks so much for tuning into my channel once again. I'm coming to you guys with something exciting. I've been waiting to review this product. I received this product a few days back. I went ahead and tried the product, and you guys, I can say it truly works after 6 days. Let me show you guys what I have. So I know you have seen this product all over Instagram or whatever advertisements, and I'm here to tell you that it's not a gimmick. I have always wanted to try this product, and today I am bringing it to you guys for a true and honest review. So as you can see, I am barefaced. I barely come on my videos like this, but I am barefaced, acne scars and all, flaws and all. I do suffer from some acne scarring, but this product actually helped me in a matter of 6 days. So here it is. So this is the Gleamin product. It is a clay face mask. So it's a vitamin C clay face mask. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the box for you guys. When you receive the package, it will come in this package. Gleamin, got the G's all over it. If you go ahead and open the box, you will see the product right there on the inside. Gonna take that right out. Right on the box, it shows you the ingredients. Guys, this is cruelty-free and vegan-free as well. Oh, excuse me, cruelty-free and vegan as well. So it's a very worry-free product, and it has all natural ingredients, and they are all certified organic, okay? Definitely do your research about what you're putting on your face. So this product claims to achieve an instant bare face glow with the Gleamin Vitamin C Clay Mask. This transformative blend of superfood ingredients helps even out the skin tone and fade dark spots, which is my problem. The results is dewy radiant skin that brings out the best in you. And yes, when you have beautiful radiant skin, it does bring out the best in you. So instructions on how to use the product are also on the box. So it's all right here, very easy to understand. Number one, after cleansing, so wash your face first. This is my freshly cleansed face. I am dry and all. I have combination skin, dry patches but oily in some areas. That is combination skin. So I did go ahead and cleanse my face and exfoliate. So after cleansing, use the brush provided. So you do get one of those cute little brushes. Use the brush provided to apply the mask evenly onto your face. So you want to apply it all evenly. Now the first time I tried it out a few days, I did kind of put just the Gleamin saturated on the dark spot area, because that is my problem area. I hate that dark mark there and under my chin. I'm gonna be really vulnerable with these pictures that I'm about to show you, so don't judge me. The camera can fool you sometimes and kind of give you an airbrush look, but these pictures will not lie. So after cleansing, use the brush provided to apply the mask evenly on your face. You want it distributed evenly, that way it will go ahead and make your whole face kind of that even skin tone. But you want to avoid your eye area. Not saying that you can't put it underneath your eye if you have some dark areas. Just don't get it too close to your eyes. So what you want to do, you want to allow 10 minutes to dry. So you want this to fully dry, and that will take at least 10 minutes. So after that, gently rinse with warm water, and pat dry using a soft, clean towel. Number 4 is glow time. All right, so we're just going to apply this on screen here. So here is the packaging, very nice packaging, and open the box. All right, it's glow time. I love that. So as you can see inside, you will find your brush and the Gleamin product. So really cute. It does come with the brush here. I'm gonna go ahead and take that out. Cute little Gleamin brush. And here is the product. So you want to lift it up, go ahead and take the product out. So it's a nice weighted jar. It's not you know, cheap plastic or anything. It is a nice kind of glass feeling jar. It has a nice weight to it. And the brush right here is super soft. I'm loving the bristles on that. Yeah, very nice packaging. So again, it does say avoid eye contact. If contact occurs, rinse well. It is dermatologist tested, and it's vegan and cruelty free. It is made in Australia, and it does say suggested use 2 to 3 times per week for best results. So 2 to 3 times out of your week, come home from work, wash your face, use this 2 to 3 times a week. And it does have turmeric, which makes the mask yellow, and aloe vera. So let's go ahead and unscrew the top. Now you will find a protective, cap on it. So you want to peel that cap up. And be careful because some product will be sticking to the underside of that. So you wanna make sure you scratch that off. Make sure you don't lose any of that product. So it is a bright yellow color. A bright yellow color. And it actually smells really good. So it's a clay mask. It smells really kind of like a baby powder scent, but it's not baby powder. But that's what it kind of reminds me of. But it smells really nice. So I'm just gonna grab my mirror and we're just going to apply a little bit evenly over my face. So I went ahead and opened it and I scooped some on my little brush here. And we're just gonna apply this on the face. So I have my mirror here. I'm just gonna use my mirror to help me out so I can see better. And so you just wanna apply it all over the face. Like I said, avoiding the eye area, but you just want to get it right. Make a complete mask of the product. So it's really cool going on. It feels really good. But like they said, you have to wait 10 minutes for this to dry, avoid your eye area, and go ahead and make a full mask of this product. One thing I can say about this product, a little goes a long way. You honestly don't need a lot. And number 2, like it spreads really well. And number 2, you will feel some type of tingling when you put this on your face. It's not like a burn or anything, but it's definitely like a tingle. But it's not a bad tingle, like it's not a burn or anything, but you have to know that it's working, right? So let's go ahead and finish applying this to my whole face. Alright, so I have the mask fully on my face. So it says wait 10 minutes for it to dry. Y'all know I look so funny right now. This is not normally how I come on YouTube, but I had to show you guys this product. So it's almost fully dry. As you can see, there's some wet spots there. So it is drying, and I will say it dries fast. So if you need to add additional mask in areas, definitely add it fast because it dries fast. And you know, I can barely talk, like it's like super tight. So it definitely has that clay feel and it's hardening, and I feel it working. Like I said, it's a slight tingle and it spreads very easily and it smells great. So I'm just gonna keep this on for about 10 minutes and I'll come back and show you guys how I rinse it off my face. Alright, so I am back. So I wanted to show you guys how I rinsed the product off my face. I did have to wait till my water turned warm, and I went ahead and proceeded to rinse my face. Now I did decide to wet my towel with warm water and actually wipe the majority off. I want to show you guys on camera how I did that. It's more precise if you want to get under the under eye area, and especially around the forehead and the eyebrows. I didn't put any on my eyebrows. I just made sure I was very careful to put it around my eyebrows. I'm pretty sure it's okay if it gets on your eyebrows, but you know, I use the towel to be more precise around my eyebrows. And of course, if you wear wigs and weave like myself, it just helps it avoid the lace areas. So this is how my skin is looking afterwards. I'm trying to make sure this isn't blurred out or like altered in any way because I really want you guys to see. And I'll probably go ahead and zoom this in, but after you wipe the mask off your face after the 10 minutes. You just want to go ahead and pat it dry. Now some people will have slightly drier skin than others depending on your regular skin type. My skin is a little bit dry, so I will go in and moisturize. I do use a very light SPF moisturizer, but let me see if I can zoom in here. My skin does look noticeably, not noticeably, of course not after one use, but it does feel great and it looks great. Hopefully my camera can stop acting silly and go ahead and let me see if I can scoot forward. So this is my, let me see if I can lower my light. There we go. Here are my problem areas right here. I got some bumps coming in. I came back from vacation, so I always get these vacation bumps, and I have a lot of acne scarring. I never had bad acne in my life, but it seems like as I got older, it started to come through, and once the bumps disappeared, it left some scarring. So hopefully this product will help with this. As you can see, that's a little better. But I am going to insert some pictures of some before and after pictures of the first time I used the product versus today, so you guys can see that. But yeah, here's my face, and hopefully I can give you guys an update to see, you know what I'm saying, how my face is looking in the future. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial on how to apply the Gleamin product to your face and how to remove it. And be sure to do this 2 or 3 times per week for best results. So the link for this product will be down below, and if you suffer from acne scarring, definitely check this product out. Like I said, the link will be down below. And once again, thanks so much for tuning into my channel, you guys. Hope you have a great day. Bye.